I used to work for big national companies. As I continued to climb the ladder, the sacrifices that were needed to be made, unfortunately, were on the personal side.
I felt from Steve that he was frustrated with a lot of aspects of his position. It was really eating away at him, that he wasn't able to live the life he wanted to live and really be there for his family and his friends and really do things that he enjoyed and that made life worth living.
It started with us sitting in a conference room with some funny fish hats on, going through some of her exercises that are really meant to take you out of your comfort zone. I mean, I probably had 100+ hours of business development training prior to meeting Wendy, and it never led to the results. You know, Wendy helped me find my sweet spot. By simplifying it and narrowing it, we started seeing results, which allowed you to go out and be who you are versus someone that you think you need to be.
What Steve LeCrone has accomplished is exactly why I do what I do every day.
The happiest thing in my success story today is that I actually jumped. The risk that was involved, the planning, getting my wife comfortable with the whole idea took time. Being at my kids' schools, seeing them do little things that I would have never seen before, that's the success.
Why I work so hard is to help people like Steve to find their groove and to do what they want to do and to be much more impactful in the work they're doing and tying that into their personal lives as well. It's really being impactful in the workplace with your clients, with your colleagues, with your family, and with your community. And Steve is hitting that out of the park, and that is something that just makes me really, really, really happy.